Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming the essentials. Log into Roblox and verify your email and age because the phone field sometimes hides for underage or unverified accounts. Once done, go straight to Settings, then Account Info and look for the phone number field. If you don't see it, tap or click Edit next to Contact or Security. Roblox moves this option depending on platform. You're doing this to ensure the system has permission to show the phone field and accept new numbers. Now add your number in international format. Start with plus and the country code, because Roblox validates format strictly. Once you submit, the site sends an SMS verification code. Enter that code immediately to complete verification. If you don't get the code, retry with the resend button after waiting 60 seconds and switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out carrier or DNS filtering. Make sure two-factor settings don't block SMS. Disable conflicting authenticator apps temporarily if needed. Finish by confirming the phone field now shows as verified in Account Info. This allows account recovery and extra security. If it still doesn't appear, clear your browser or app cache, use an incognito/private window, or try a different device because stored settings sometimes hide fields. If none of that works, gather screenshots, your account ID, and the steps you tried. Then contact Roblox support. Explain you completed verification, but
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.